Hello everyone, my name is Laurel and I'm from the Year 11B class. I am currently on the medical track and I would like to share my experience here in SBS as a scholarship student. What inspired me to study at SBS International School Chiangmai is because of its balanced focus on academic rigor and holistic development. We were looking for a school in Chiangmai that offers Cambridge curriculum while also nurturing vital skills like teamwork, leadership, sports, and other social skills. And I think this all-around foundation is invaluable for my future, starting from university application to my career. And I think I found the ideal school. I feel very much supported. I think the teachers have been exceptional, not only focusing on our academic success, but also on our overall and mental well-being. And the staff have been really wonderful and friendly too. Their smiles never fail to brighten up my days. I would tell those considering SBS International School that they will experience the best of both worlds here, rigorous academics and amazing extracurriculars without having to sacrifice one for the other. And more importantly, I assure you that you will be joining a unique, warm and family-like community here. Well, this environment is where you will be strengthened and encouraged to grow in every aspect of your life. That's all from me. Thank you very much for listening and see you at SBS.